Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Government Guru. In this video we will go through 49 important general knowledge questions and answers based on general science chemistry. So these are the questions which may get asked in the competitive exams like SSC, banking exams, railway exams and the other competitive exams. So let's start with the question and answers. So the first question is, which of the following is soluble in water? Option A, sodium chloride. Option B, lithium bromide. Option C, calcium carbonate. Option D, magnesium iodide. So the correct answer is option A, sodium chloride. Potassium permanganate is used in the purification of drinking water because it, option A, is a reducing agent. Option B is an oxidizing agent. Option C is a bonding agent. Option D dissolves the impurities of the water. So the correct answer is option B, is an oxidizing agent. The filament of electric bulbs are made of option A, tungsten. Option B, nichrome. Option C, lead. Option D, aluminium. So the correct answer is option A, tungsten filaments. The galvanization is a process in which steel and iron are protected through the rusting by the lamination of option A, nickel. Option B, magnesium. Option C, copper. Option D, zinc. So the correct answer is option D, zinc. Which of the following metal is to be kept found in the liquid state at the room temperature? Option A, mercury. Option B, platinum. Option C, lead. Option D, zinc. So the correct answer is option A, mercury. Which of the following mineral is to be found in the monazite sand? Option A, potassium. Option B, uranium. Option C, thorium. Option D, sodium. So the correct answer is option C, thorium. Which one of the following statements is not correct? Option A, hydrogen is an element. Option B, hydrogen is the lightest element. Option C, hydrogen and oxygen forms an explosive mixture. Option D, hydrogen has non-isotope. So the correct answer is option D, hydrogen has non-isotope. Which process is used to examine the hardness of the water? Option A, boiling. Option B, distillation. Option C, to form leather through the soap. Option D, none of these. So the answer is option C, to form leather through the soap. What happens when a chemical bond is formed? Option A, energy is always absorbed. Option B, energy is always released. Option C, more energy is released than is absorbed. Option D, energy is neither released nor absorbed. So the correct answer is option B, energy is always released. Teflon is an option A, fluorocarbon. Option B, hydrocarbon. Option C, pesticide. Option D, insecticide. Correct answer is option A, fluorocarbon. Which one of the following metal is the best conductor of electricity? Option A, gold. Option B, silver. Option C, copper. Option D, zinc. The correct answer is option B, silver. Which one of the following metal is the heaviest? Option A, silver. Option B, copper. Option C, gold. Option D, lead. The correct answer is option C, gold, which is the heaviest metal. Which one of the following polymeric materials is used for making bulletproof jackets? Option A, nylon 66. Option B, rayon. Option C, Kevlar. Option D, Dacron. The answer is option C, Kevlar. Which one of the following has the order of rotten eggs? Option A, sulfur dioxide. Option B, nitrous oxide. Option C, hydrogen sulfide. Option D, carbon monoxide. Answer is option C, hydrogen sulfide. Which one of the following compounds is used as freeze medicine? Option A KBr, option B CaCl2, option C C2H5OH, option D PCl3. Answer is option A KBr, potassium bromide. A student by chance mixed acetone with alcohol. This mixture of acetone and alcohol can be separated by option A filtration, option B separating funnel, option C fractional crystallization, option D fractional distillation. Answer is option D fractional distillation. The polymer Orlon is made of option A acrylonitrile, option B neoprene, option C vinyl chloride, option D tetrafluoroethylene. The answer is option A acrylonitrile. The iron container vessel is galvanized by option A chromium, option B zinc, option C aluminium, option D nickel. The answer is option B zinc. Usually doctors recommend the foodstuffs which are prepared in the oil with comparison to the vegetable ghee because option A oil has unsaturated fats, option B oil has saturated fats, option C to store the oil is convenient, option D oil is cheaper. The answer is option A oil has unsaturated fats. Which of the following is not present in the compressed natural gas CNG? Option A ethane, option B butane, option C carbon dioxide, option D methane. Answer is option C carbon dioxide. Which among the following is the correct increasing order of pH found in the human body? Option A gastric juice, saliva, blood. Option B blood, saliva, gastric juice. Option C saliva, blood, gastric juice. And option D gastric juice, blood, saliva. The answer is option A gastric juice, then saliva, then blood. Which one of the following is to be found in nail polish remover? Option A acetone, option B benzene, option C petroleum ether, option D acetic acid. The answer is option A acetone. The element radium is extracted from option A limestone, option B pinch blende, option C rutile, option D hematite. The answer is option B pinch blende. The gas used as a coolant in the refrigerator is option A freon 12, option B helium, option C carbon dioxide, option D ammonia. The answer is option A freon 12. The chemical formula of plaster of Paris is option A CaSO4.5H2O, option B twice CaSO4.H2O, option C CaSO4 by 2.2H2O, and option D CaSO4.MgO. The correct answer is option B twice CaSO4.H2O. Which one of the following element is mixed up in making steel which can resist high temperature and which has high level hardness? Option A aluminium, option B chromium, option C nickel, option D tungsten. The correct answer is option B chromium. The substance which is frequently used in the photography is option A silver nitrate, option B silver bromide, option C sulfuric acid, option D citric acid. The correct answer is option B silver bromide. Which one of the following metal is used in the accumulator cell? Option A copper, option B lead, option C aluminium, option D zinc. The correct answer is option B lead. The boiling and freezing point of water on mixing an edible salt. Option A increases, option B decreases, option C firstly increases and then decreases, option D firstly decreases and then increases. The correct answer is option C, firstly increases and then decreases. In which of the following carbon is not present? Option A diamond, option B graphite, option C coal, option D none of these. The correct answer is option D, none of these. The ordinary and general type of coke is option A anthracite, option B lignite, option C bituminous and option D peat. The answer is option C bituminous. The chemical substance which is easily soluble in water is option A carbon, option B nitrogen, option C ammonia, option D iodine. The correct answer is option C ammonia. Oxygen and ozone are option A allotropes, option B isotopes, option C isomers and option D isobars. The correct answer is option A allotropes. Which of the following is obtained in its pure form by the reaction of sugar and sulfuric acid? Option A water, option B carbon, option C oxygen and option D hydrogen. The correct answer is option B carbon. The gas used to fill up the tires of the aircraft is option A hydrogen, option B helium, option C nitrogen, option D neon. The correct answer is option B helium. The inert gas found most abundantly in our atmosphere is option A He helium, option B Ne neon, option C Ar argon and option D Kr. The correct answer is option C Ar argon. The most abundantly found organic compound in the nature is option A glucose, option B fructose, option C sucrose and option D cellulose. The correct answer is option D cellulose. Consider the following statements. Point number 1, metallic bond is an attractive force. Point number 2, it forms due to sharing of electrons. Point number 3, electrons involved in the formation of metallic bond are present at their outermost orbits. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 3, option C 1 and 3 and option D 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option D 1, 2 and 3. All the statements are correct. Which one among the following statements is about the bases is correct? Option A, all bases are alkalis. Option B, none of the bases is alkali. Option C, there are no more bases except the alkalis. Option D, all alkalis are bases but all bases are not alkalis. The answer is option D, all alkalis are bases but all bases are not alkalis. The vitamin C is also known as option A amino acid, option B ascorbic acid, option C acetic acid and option D azelaic acid. The correct answer is option B ascorbic acid. Which is the property of alkali metals? Option A more unstable at room temperature, option B vaporize at room temperature, option C easily receive the electrons, option D easily release the electrons. The correct answer is option D easily release the electrons. Some of the following are suspensions. Option A fog, air and the third is blood, fourth is paint, aerosols, sprays. The true suspensions are option A 1, 2, 3, option B 2, 3, 2, 4 and 5, 3, 4 and 5, and option C 1, 3 and 5, option D 1, 3 and 4. The correct answer is option B 3, 4 and 5. Choose the correct statements. Option A, emulsifiers stabilize the emulsion. Option B, soaps, detergents, hydrophilic colloids are emulsifiers. Option C, cleansing action of soap is due to the formation of emulsions. And option D, all the above are correct statements. The answer is option D, all the above statements are correct. The gas used in the refrigerator is option A, cool down on flowing, option B, heated up on flowing, option C, cool down when compressed, and option D, cool down when expanded. The answer is option D, cool down when expanded. The silver wares turn black after a period of time due to the formation of option A, nitrate coating on the silver, option B, sulfate coating on silver, option C, chloride coating on silver, and option D, oxide coating on silver. The correct answer is option B, sulfate coating on silver. The highly reactive metals are found in combined state in nature. The natural substances containing metal in combined form are known as minerals. A mineral is called ore if option A, the metal present in the mineral is costly. Option B, a metal can be extracted from it. Option C, a metal can be profitably extracted from it. And option D, a metal cannot be extracted from it. So the answer is option C, a metal can be profitably extracted from it. When water itself combines chemically with some element or mineral, it is called option A, carbonation, option B, desilication, option C, hydration, and option D, oxidation. The correct answer is option C, hydration. Which one of the following is used to restore the color of old oil paintings? Option A, ozone, option B, hydrogen peroxide, option C, barium peroxide, and option D, sodium peroxide. The answer is option B, hydrogen peroxide. The teeth and bones acquire strength and rigidity from option A, fluorine, option B, chlorine, option C, sodium, and option D, calcium. The answer is option D, calcium. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for such more informative videos. Also click on the bell icon for notification updates. Thank you.